What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Quick couple updates. Number one, my AI has been running for 2 weeks, so the trial period is over. If anyone wants to purchase the AI, but they want to try it out for a week or so, just feel free to message me on Discord. I'll give you access to the channel where the AI is releasing the callouts. I'll give probably like a free trial to anyone who asks. Just be sure to DM me on Discord if you're interested. We currently have, I think, 5 or 6 people now. We have, I believe, 4 trial testers, and then we have one person who reached out for a free trial. Again, just DM me on Discord. I got back to DMs just 30 minutes ago. I'm trying to keep up with DMs, but it's quite a lot of work, especially with school and also my business that I run. But yeah, let's just get right into it. This is a quick update video. It's not going to be anything crazy. I am going to post an update video on the road to 100K in payouts. I believe we are up another 20 to 25K from the previous week. I'll try to get to that as soon as possible, but again, guys, I've been really busy. I apologize for the lack of uploads. I know someone messaged me asking an update on the road to 100K, and I just wasn't able to get to it yet. I will probably record it in the next couple of days. But yeah, so as far as the AI goes, I have up here since December 2nd, the AI has been running. And it's been putting out maybe anywhere from 1 to 3 callouts per day. And so far, I have really, really, really good news. And this is going to be big for anyone who doesn't have a lot of time for trading. And recently I found myself to be in that position where I haven't been trading as much just because I have some other things going on in life. School, I had finals just this week. I had my last 2 finals. And with my business as well, I have my first couple employees, and that's just been a ton of work. And yeah, so this will be very useful for anyone who is either in school or they have a lot of work on their plate, so they can't necessarily be looking at the markets all the time. Anyways, looking into it, so I have here the 2 P&L curves. These are 2 scenarios. On the left side, we have an optimal scenario. What that means is, what is the most amount of money you could have made with the AI? And the most amount of money you could have made is an 800% return. And if anyone doesn't know what an 800% return is, 700% return. That's multiplied by 8. So let's say you started off with 10K, you would have 80K, right? So just for this hypothetical, we started off with 100K and it turned into $883,000. So the way that this optimal strategy was discovered was I had a program run every single scenario, every single stop loss, every single take profit, and it turned out the most profitable strategy was taking profits at 150%, having a stop loss at 50%, and risking 100% of your capital per trade. This is just a hypothetical. You should never trade 100% per trade, not even like 20% honestly, because 5 losing trades, you lose your account, right? But yeah, no, this is a really, really healthy P&L curve actually. This is on the right side, that's what my account currently looks like. If you don't know, I started a new brokerage account and I just deposited a little bit of money in there. I think it was either $90,000 into the account, and this is what it looks like for me. I set up my take profit at 100%, so if the trade doubles, I sell, and then my stop loss is if the trade loses half its value, right? And as you can see, I risked only 5% per trade, and I made about $30,000 from my initial capital. In my account, it was more like, I believe, 24,000 because I didn't put 100,000 in. I put around 80 to 90. But no, this is very, very, very good. This is a very actually conservative approach, 5% per trade, and getting a return of about 30% in 2 weeks. That's really insane, honestly, and I'm really excited to continue to, use this AI for the rest of this year and just see how this. I'm not gonna add any money to this account. It started with, I believe, I have to double check, but it's either 80 or 90,000. It's one of the or. I'm really excited to see in 1 year how much the AI can grow my account without me doing anything at all. And honestly, if it does a really good return like this, 30% in 2 weeks is insane. If it continues to do this, I might honestly just take a break from trading because I need to focus on school, honestly, and also my business. My business is starting to grow. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I created an in-person media business. I can't go too much into the details, but it's doing really good. And I have couple employees right now. I have 2 working overseas, and then I have 2 in person, which is a lot of stress, but it's a lot of fun. And yeah, I'd like to devote more time to that, and this would definitely be useful. But yeah, no. So if anyone is interested in this AI, it is $250 a month. But as you can see, you could easily get that money back within a week, depending on how much money you put in. Hypothetically, if you put in $1,000 and you did this method, where you would risk all your capital, again, don't do that, you would have $8,000. And if you did a more conservative approach like this one, you would have about $1,300, so $300. You would have paid back the monthly subscription cost for it and then gotten more out of it. And keep in mind, it's only been 2 weeks, so it's going to keep, growing your account. And yeah, I would also like to offer a free trial to anyone who's interested. I don't necessarily want someone buying this without, having full confidence. So if anyone wants a free trial, I can offer a 1 week free trial, and you can see how it works for you. You can see, if you don't like it, you don't have to. You can cancel the subscription. But if you like it, you can continue it and pay $250 a month. And I believe there's a lot of value in it, especially at $250 a month. I think that's a reasonable price. I was initially gonna mark it higher for serious consumers only, but I had someone message me on Discord and mention that, if I was gonna try to help beginner traders, I should make it more affordable from anywhere in like that 500 or lower range. So I decided to do that, and I do understand how anything like 1,000 or above, especially for beginner traders, can be a lot. But yeah, no, make sure to message me if you're interested. And again, let me clarify this one more time. You do not need any tools to trade, and if I actually bring up my own charts here, you can see I don't use very many tools at all, especially on a 15-minute, and my primary trading income is from trading futures on charts that look like this, just simple. There was a contract switch, so these look a little bit wonky here, but it's just simple, like support resistance flips, so you can just map them out like this and trade. What I'm saying? Like, that's the easiest way to trade, and I believe that's the way you should trade regularly. But again, for people who are time constrained, whether it's from work, from school, I don't know, relationship, I don't know, anything really, family, I believe the tool that I created is very, very useful. And again, if you have any questions, any concerns, free trial, whatever, just message me on Discord. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but keep in mind, I do get a lot of messages on Discord, and I try to get through them weekly, either by the end of the week or the beginning of the week. This week I did the beginning of the week, and I just go through and I respond to everyone. Anyways, thank you for your time. I'm going to have another video later this week, probably, on the Road to 100K updates. I'll show some of the trades and the mindset behind those trades. And again, it's going to be fully, no tools at all. It's just going to be like, I don't know, like how I trade, my mentality when it comes to trading. And I'm not sure if anyone's interested, but I was thinking about making a video on how to get out of debt with trading, like while being a trader. I don't know if that's like a video anyone's actually going to be interested in or watch, but I used to be on debt, and this was a couple years ago, and now I'm completely out of it, and I can just go through that story and help people, figure out how they're gonna get out of debt while trading. If anyone's interested, there's some other video topics I have, the mentality related, because a lot of trading is mentality based, if you didn't know already by now. But yeah, I'm not gonna take up any more time. It's just a quick update video. Have a good week.